Hello, my name is Anya. I'm excited to show you something I have built recently that I think can really make a difference, especially for freelancer creators and small business owners. I would love to show you my Notion Business Planner. It is a simple tool that helps you manage your business in one place: project, task, clients, and meetings. Let me give you a quick tour. At the top of the page, you will see a clean menu that helps you jump to any section fast, like projects, client section, meetings, onboarding. Next, there is a section showing today's meetings. It helps you to stay prepared and never miss anything important. Below that, you will find tasks for today. Just a quick view of what needs your focus right now. Then comes the navigation section, where you can click into all main areas of your business. It's like quick access panel. For example, if you want to go to meeting section, just click. If you want to come back to homepage, you can do it by clicking this link. After that, there is a list of tasks for this week, so you always know what's coming next and can plan better. And at the bottom, you will see an overview of your active project. You can click it any project to see details, related task, notes, and client info, all connect in one space. This system helps keep everything organized in one place, so you can focus on growing your business without the house.